Alright, y'all, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash. Salisbury, Maryland, Delmar, Maryland, all of it, whatever. Anyways, you can see by the stuff on me, I was out power washing today, and it rained. I knew we were going to have some thunderstorms today, and so that motivates you to get your butt in gear and get stuff going a lot faster. Get it done because you're on a time clock. Like getting home for dinner, it's like, make sure we don't die. Anyways, so a couple things just as far as inclement weather and working. And of course somebody's going to give me crap because I'm driving doing this, but whatever, I'm soaking wet, so it kind of feeds the, gives you the real true experience of it all. So we knew again that sometime this afternoon, it's basically 3 o'clock today, and that we were going to get a storm. Now, with where I was on this job, I was about 35 minutes east of our normal area. So the other guys were going to need to get their stuff done earlier, and their window to clean was much smaller. They actually had a $2,700 job to do, and the other crew had a $1,900 job to do. So I told the guys at the $1,900, hey, as soon as you finish, go over there and help them out. But a couple of other things just as far as process-wise. So one, if you know you're going to have bad weather coming soon and you got a roof to do it quickly. You can go a little hotter on your mix and not really have to worry about as much on the ground game because it's going to be raining soon, and that's going to take care of diluting and running off all your solution. Obviously, if it's going to be a really light rain, then you still want to be careful because that can cause major issues. But heavy rain, you're good. If you got gutters to do, you gotta do them before the storm hits. That's probably smart, right? You don't want to be up on a ladder when the storm hits. But if you got some daylight, some sunshine, or a little bit of sun in the sky, go ahead and knock out those gutters. Knock out that roof first. Because worst case scenario, you're getting rained on and you're washing a house. You can actually get a lot done that way. Again, with today, it being that we're going to have thunder and lightning. Saw the storm getting close. Hadn't started raining yet. The ladder was still out. We hadn't put it away yet. Normally we wait and do that very last thing. Well, you don't want to pull up, and hold a 24-foot or really like 13, 14-foot long piece of metal in the sky to go put it on your ladder rack when there's already thunder and lightning. So as soon as you're done with that, I went ahead and threw it back up onto the trailer so that it was good to go for us. Work fast. Seriously, work fast. Put away anything metal pretty quickly. The longer wands, you're going to want to put those away. Again, I had a few, probably 2 or 3 minutes that I was spraying out stuff just to finish it up in the rain. Lightning was closer than I'd like it to be. Certainly count your seconds. It's not perfect, but especially if you start seeing flashes of lightning, that's really you got to get done. And the other thing too is that for us, if it look at the radar, if you're halfway done a job, stop, turn your machine off, grab your water, Gatorade, sit in your car or truck for a few minutes and wait until the storm passes by. Most thunderstorms will be super intense for a short period of time. And then once the storm goes by, keep washing. Obviously, once you know that it's safe to work. And that's up to you. That's not, I'm telling you 5 minutes after that lightning bolt or whatever. Now, you have to make that adult decision on whether or not it's safe to continue washing at that point. And also, too, if it ends up being, we had a roof the other day that we tried to get done. They got about a 10 by 20, 10 by 30 foot area on this guy's roof, and then the sky opened up. So there wasn't really anything else they could do there. They went ahead and went to the house wash because at that point we knew it was going to be overcast the rest of the day. It wasn't going to dry out in time for us to be able to do the work. So we found other ways to fill our day. As I've mentioned many times, check your hourly forecast. Just because, oh, it's supposed to thunder and lightning tomorrow, guys. No work. I don't know if the guys finished the other stuff. They probably got pretty well through a lot of it. But we had a 5K day. If we had just said, oh, well, it's supposed to thunder and lightning, let's close out. That would have been a problem. So, anyways, just a couple little quick tips on rainy / inclement weather. And you guys also have to empower your team to be able to make that call in the field. Just because it's not running where you are or it's tolerable where you are doesn't mean that it's tolerable where they are. And also, obviously, it all has to be within reason. You don't want some, oh, it's just a little rain, I can't work. That ends up being somebody who doesn't want to get wet. I'm soaked. We've had people that like to wear ponchos a lot and hate getting wet. That's part of the job. We spray water, we're going to get wet. See y'all.